Hello traders, my name is Plamen and we are through Sight Forex. This is our weekly forecast for the upcoming week. So let's begin and to see what we expect on some of the currency pairs on the market and the gold as well. This is the picture from the last week and the price was on this level over here. We expected to make a bullish movement, retracement and another very strong bullish impulse wave. And you can see there is the impulse, the correction, and there is the new bullish impulse. What we expect for the next week? Here on 4-hour time frame, the first option is from this impulse wave here, the price to make a retracement from these highs on this level and to make a consecutive point on this 4-hour trend line, to make a test on the very strong daily trend line here and to make the new bullish impulse wave. As we said, we expect the price, because it is on very low on the chart, very low level, we expect the price to make movement around 2000 pips to these highs over here. We are in a trade already and the trade is going very well. Here you can see that. Another option is from here the price to make a strong correction, to break out these lows over here, to come back to test this point of interest on 1 hour or the 4-hour point of interest, and from here to make the impulse wave we expect. This is the first option. The second option is something like this. We don't expect the price to make a lower loss from this level because it's very low on the chart. We are gonna watch it and we'll see what the price is gonna happen. Okay, now let's move to the pound dollar. Last week we said that the price probably is gonna make a trend reversal pattern, double bottom or a head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders, and the price from here, it made the bullish impulse, and you can see that the trend reversal pattern happened a little later. There is, it touched the monthly level, which is 2 years ago, the lowest point on the price, and from here what we can expect for the next week. There is the very strong bullish impulse, there was some consolidation around the weekly level, and now the price is breaking this level and starting to make a retracement. We can see the consecutive point on the trend line, the first one, the second, and somewhere here the price to make another consolidation and to make a test on the level and to touch this 4-hour trend line, and from here something like this to touch the level and another bullish impulse. Another option is the price to make pretty much like the euro dollar, to make a new bearish impulse to this point of interest on 1 hour or on the lower point of interest, and from there to go bullish again, something like this. We don't need that neckline anymore. Okay, this is what we expect for euro dollar and pound dollar. Now let's move on to Valery, who is gonna go through pound yen and euro yen and the gold as well.
What's up guys, it's Valery here from Sight Forex. Today we're gonna go through euro to Japanese yen and British pound to Japanese yen together. Also, we will take a look at the gold. So let's get started. Last week we said that here a triangle has been formed. We had a breakout on the upper side of it and the price tested the triangle. So we said that we expect the price to reach this level right here, from which it can make a retracement, but as you can see, the price breaks this level and continues to go upward. So now, for this week, let me start from the daily chart. Here we have a very strong impulse upwards. In our opinion, here we have two options. First option is from this level right here, the price to make a retracement, let's say to 61.8 or a 50% on Fibonacci. If it makes a 50% retracement on Fibonacci, it matches perfectly. Let me adjust it. It matches perfectly with the monthly level. The other option is the price to go to this daily level because it matches perfectly with this top from which we saw a huge bear movement. So the other option is the price to get a little bit higher, then to see some Fibonacci retracement again, and again the price to reach this monthly level. If this happens, we will adjust our Fibonacci, maybe something like that, and you can see if it makes a huge retracement to 61.8, again it matches with the monthly level. On the 4-hour chart, at this moment right here, we have a strategy of trading breakouts. And as you can see, the price started to make a correction, started to make a corrective candle. So now we're gonna wait and see whether the price gonna retrace from this level right here or the price is going to make a slight move upwards and then to make this retracement. In both options, we are expecting the price to reach this monthly level right here. We are not looking for short positions, for short trades right now, at this moment. Okay, let's move to the British pound to Japanese yen. We move forward to British pound to Japanese yen. Last week we said that again a triangle has been formed and we are expecting to see a breakout either on the downside of it or the upper side of it. Because it is in some kind of correlation with euro to Japanese yen, it made a breakout on the upper side of it and it made the whole movement. Okay, now we have a very strong impulse upwards, some kind of correction. If we measure this impulse here and apply it from the new impulse upwards, we can see that the price can reach this level right here, which matches with the previous stops, from which, let me adjust this Fibonacci, it can make some kind of retracement. Then we are expecting to see new upward movement up to this monthly level. If we go on a daily chart, you can see it more clearly because now is the start of the new impulse. We are expecting that the price will go up. Then the retracement will form maybe a third point on the trend line. On the 4-hour chart it would be visible more clearly. And then, because here we have two tops, we expect the price to grab this liquidity right here from these two tops that has been formed. Then to make a retracement again, to test this level, to make a third point on the trend line, and to see a new bullish movement up to the monthly level. As a euro to Japanese yen, for now, we are not looking for short positions. Okay, let's move to the gold. Last week we said that we expect the price to to go to this zone right here, from which we can see a new bearish movement downwards to this level right here. As you can see, the price did exactly what we expected. It reaches this zone right here, from which it makes a new downward movement, new bearish movement. But it didn't reach this level right here, from which it made a new impulse upwards. So now the price breaks this trend line and made a test of it. So for now we are expecting the price to go up to maybe this level right here, or to make a third point on this trend line. Because of the dollar index, we expect that the dollar index will go down. So based on that, we expect that the gold this week will go upwards. This was all for now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel. Hit the like button if you like our weekly forecasts and setups. You are free to leave a comment if you want us to add some commodity or crypto or stock. Thank you for watching. This was everything for now. See you next week. Bye bye.